Hello smart viewers, how are you today? I hope you are all in a good condition. Well, now I'm going to explain you about how to make question form in simple present tense with question word. Well, look at the pattern here. The question words here are where, why, what and how, and they should be followed by do or does plus subject and plus verb 1. Okay, now look at the example here. For positive sentence or affirmative, he lives in Tokyo. So the question is, where does he live? Dia tinggal di Tokyo. Di manakah dia tinggal? Number 2, she lives alone. She lives alone. Dia tinggal sendirian. The question is, why does she live alone? Mengapa dia tinggal sendirian? 3, they study science. Mereka belajar sains. The question becomes, what do they study? What do they study? Belajar apakah mereka? Number 4, the children go to school by car. Anak-anak pergi ke sekolah naik mobil. The question becomes, how do they go to school? Bagaimanakah mereka pergi ke sekolah? Atau naik apa mereka pergi ke sekolah? Or we can also say, how do the children go to school? How do they go to school? Now exercise 1. Put in do or does. Question number 1. Where does Mr. Sakurata come from? Number 2. Why do you often come late? 3. What time does the plane leave? 4. How does he feel today? 6. How much does this car cost? Number 6. How long does your lesson last? Number 7. Where does he eat lunch every day? Number 8. How often do you go to the movies? 9. How well does Mary speak French? 10. What time does the lesson begin? Now exercise 2. Change the sentences to question form beginning with question word. Example, he works at the factory. He works at the factory. Dia bekerja di pabrik. The question with where becomes, where does he work? Di manakah dia bekerja? Now let's go to number 1. The affirmative is they travel by bus. The question is, how do they travel? How do they travel? 2. He goes to the park after the lesson. He goes to the park after the lesson. The question is, where does he go after the lesson? Where does he go after the lesson? 3. The lesson begins at 7 o'clock. The lesson begins at 7 o'clock. The question is, what time does the lesson begin? What time does the lesson begin? Question number 4. The students speak German well. The students speak German well. So the question is, how well do the students speak German? Once again, how well do the students speak German? Number 5, or the last question. She starts work at 8:30. She starts work at 8:30. The question becomes, what time does she start work? What time does she start work? Now I want to ask you some question with question word. Please answer my question. What time do you get up every day? What do you do after that? What do you have for breakfast? What do you do after breakfast? What time do you go to work? What time do you start work? What time do you eat lunch? Where do you eat lunch? What time do you go home? What time do you get home? What do you do in the evening? What time do you go to bed every night? Okay? I hope this exercise or this lesson is very useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.